Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to use the Tonik Virtual Debit Card. This is a super handy tool for anyone who wants to make online transactions quickly and securely. So let's dive right in. The first step is setting up your Tonik account. First things first, you will need to have a Tonik account. If you haven't set one up already, download the Tonik app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your identity to get started. Now, step 2, access your virtual debit card. Just like this screenshot shows, this blue card is your virtual debit card. Once your account is set up, log into the Tonik app. You will land on the homepage, which displays our account balance and various options. To access your virtual debit card, tap on the card's icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your virtual debit card listed. Tap on it to view the card details. You will notice your card number, expiration date, and CVV, all of which you will need for online transactions. Step 3, using your virtual card for online purchases. Now that you have your card information, let's use it for an online purchases. Head over to your favorite online stores and add item to your cart. Just like I'm using Amazon and I'm going to add this item to my cart. Once you added an item to your cart, you can pay for it. Click on buy now and they will provide you with a payment page where you can enter your Tonik virtual debit card details as prompted, the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the billing address matches the one you have registered with Tonik. Once all the information is entered, confirm your purchase. Now, step 4 is managing your card. After making a purchase, you can manage your card directly through the Tonik app. Go back to the cards section. Here you can view your transaction history, check your spending limits, and even lock or unlock your card for added security. If you ever detect any unauthorized transactions, locking your card can prevent further misuse. Step 5 is recharging your account. To ensure you always have enough balance for your purchases, you can easily fund your account. From the home page, tap on the deposit button. Choose your preferred method, whether it's by bank transfer or other available option, and follow the instructions to add funds to your account. And that's it. You now know how to use your Tonik virtual debit card for seamless online transactions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and financial advice. Thanks for watching and see you next time.